empowerment and the empowerment of youth. So Curtis, once again, let's give Curtis a nice round of applause, putting together for MLK today, for Martin Luther King's Day today. If you don't know, it makes a difference. If you're off work, there is a reason. And today is about reaching, making a positive difference, making positive words out there. So if you can embrace just a minute of your time, I'm going to give you some positive words for our youth. The empowerment of our youth. Youth isn't an age, it's a state of mind. Youth isn't about I can't, it's about I can. Youth is a fresh beginning, a new life, a new start. Youth is about being honest, pure, beautiful, and kind. Youth is our future, our vision, our ears, our eyes, looking upon tomorrow. Youth, are you aware of your opportunities, your greatness, your abilities? Youth, are you aware what life has to offer, all it has to offer, all it has to give to you? Youth, are you ready to receive the great gifts? Yeah. Youth, you are the motivation and the greatness and empowerment of other youth. Your greatness can't be wasted, can't be put aside, can't be trashed, can't be exposed to drugs, violence, and anger, and meanness to others. Why be angry? Youth, why not try to help others? Youth, why be angry? Why not treat others as you want to be treated? Youth, why not have respect for yourselves, your brother, your sister, your friend, your mother, your father? Youth, take a moment, really think about it. You are the greatness of tomorrow. You make a difference. But youth, why are you having babies? Youth, don't be an adult yet. Enjoy cartoons, enjoy crayons, enjoy Kool-Aid, enjoy oatmeal, enjoy just enjoying life, youth. You are the empowerment of tomorrow. But youth, you want to rush to be an adult? You want to rush to be in jail? Youth, jail is not a badge of honor. Youth, you are the badge of honor. Youth is in all of us. Youth makes a difference. You are empowered to make a difference. Youth, you are in control of tomorrow. You are in control of yourself. If you just take time to talk to someone that's a little bit older than you, they don't know everything. And they may not know how about today, but they know about yesterday. Youth, trust the elders. They may help you with tomorrow. Take the time to read, learn, talk, be proactive, be positive, be supportive to those around you. And most of all, look in the mirror and be proactive, be positive to yourself. Look how youth can change within one day. Because each day we grow older. But youth, are you growing smarter? And finally, youth, help develop instead of ruining. Help build instead of breaking. Help the community, help the others, help family members become better youth as they get older. Because life is beautiful through our children's eyes. Through the mouths of babies, through the eyes of babies, we learn to appreciate the things that are below 3 feet. We learn to appreciate the things that make little sounds. Youth, you make me young. Children, I love my children. Children, Daddy loves you. It is an honor that you picked me to be your dad. And I am thankful, and I thank God for the blessings that we have. Youth, be strong, love it, and love those around you as you love those that you see in the mirror. And those that hang around you are those in your mirror. Youth, you are empowered to make a difference. Thank you.
Yeah!